What's up guys, my name's Aaron and this is my 2007 Subaru Forester. I'd always been a big Subaru guy, and this Forester's been something that I dreamed about for a long time. When I was first shopping for my first car, I went with my dad to a Subaru dealership and they had a blue Forester on their lot, and I knew right then this is absolutely what I wanted. I've been interested in cars my entire life. My dad really got me into cars when I was young. Matchbox, Hot Wheels, die-cast models, been into it all. So I've always liked unique and interesting and oddball cars. Subaru made a Forester STI, but they never brought it to the US. So that was a Japanese and a European only spec car. So when I found this car, this really nice blue Forester XT, it kind of seemed like the right thing to do to make what would have been a USDM Forester STI if Subaru had ever brought one here. This Subaru Forester has a built motor, has a STI 6-speed transmission. I've done full interior, version 7 STI interior, including a split fold rear bench, which is pretty rare. Everything's pretty much been touched on the car. I don't think there's anything except body panels and the body itself that are original. So more recently, I had the new motor put in. That was done by a good friend of mine, Brandon Mahler, up at Daily Driven Autosports in Newburgh, New York. He's a great guy. I really appreciate everything he did. The car's running amazing. And I was never looking for any crazy power with this car. So the 335 it's making at the wheels is a whole lot of fun for me right now. So I love to drive by myself. Driving in general is my therapy, but driving with the NEDC guys is a whole lot of fun. Seeing 50 plus cars on the road together, knowing the whole group. It's really a great experience. It's really cool, not like anything else you really get to do. They're great guys. We went up to Bear Mountain recently and we took over a gas station. That was just a whole lot of fun. Random experiences that happen that you're not planning for, but just end up making for great memories. I'd say one of my favorite NEDC moments was the barbecue we had this past summer. It was a whole lot of fun. Got to meet a lot of guys who I hadn't met before in the club, had some good food. It was just a really nice casual event where we were just kind of hanging out, talking cars, talking other things, and getting to meet some cool guys. So professionally, I'm a freelance web developer and general software developer. So if anyone happens to need any kind of software development work, feel free to reach out. My photography and video work, I put that under the brand RevMatch, so revmatch.com. You can find all of my work at. There's Instagram, there's YouTube. But yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think and like and subscribe.